Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change Facebook profile privacy. So for that you just need to open Facebook and then go to your profile. Just click here once and click your profile. Then you will be redirected to this your profile page. So then click the three dots here. You can see this. Click here. And from here you just need to you just need to go lock profile. From here you can change your profile privacy. So in Facebook there are two type of profile privacy. It will be either your profile is public or your profile is locked. So from here you just click lock your profile, and yeah, now your profile privacy has changed and now your profile is locked. So yeah, that's how you lock your profile on Facebook. Thanks for watching.